Sam here with Outdoor Trek YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take my family out to see the Hieroglyphic Trail. We're actually going to show you where they ground up corn into the stone and actually see the petroglyphs on the walls. Come join our hike with us.
Subscribe!
Hey, Sam here with Outdoor Trek YouTube channel. Got the family. We're going to go out to Hieroglyphic Trails and have a good time. It's actually been a while since I've done this one. It's about 1.5 miles each way. It slightly goes uphill, and then once you get there, there's petroglyphs. So they're about 1,500 years old is what they say. So if you want an easy hike with the family to go up to the mountains in the desert, see saguaro cactus, cholla, all that stuff, fairly easy. So yeah, we're gonna check that out and see how it goes. Are you guys excited to go to the Hieroglyphic Trail?
Yeah!
Are you guys ready to see some wildlife?
Yeah!
See some ancient hieroglyphs?
Yeah!
All right, let's go check it out. And here we are. We made it to the Hieroglyphic Trail. This is where you park. All right, here's the trailhead. I've never been to the Lost Gold Mine Hieroglyphic Trail. This is it. Goes through here. Kids are running up the trail up there. You guys having fun?
Yeah!
Find a scorpion? Yep, that one's a little jumping cactus, also known as a Troy cactus. You got the big saguaro cactus. Alright, got a cool little sign there.
What does it say?
Lost Gold Mine Trail. That way. But we want to go to the left to the Hieroglyphic Trail. That little Callie doing good back there. Yeah, look at all the saguaro cactus. Quite a bit of it. All right, guys. Do you guys know what this gate is? This takes you to Wilderness Area, the Superstition Area Land Trust. It's a hieroglyphic trail, even though technically they're petroglyphs, and it's actually the Tonto National Forest Superstition Wilderness. So that means you can't have e-bikes or bikes or anything in here, and no motorized vehicles. You can just hike in or take a horse. That's it. Let's go. Yeah, or take a horse. Making progress.
What if we hike all the way over to there?
It'd be crazy, buddy. Callie, could you make it about 1/4 of the way?
Yeah.
And then you needed a ride? It's kind of hard for a 3-year-old, huh? But it's fun, huh? All right, there's Flatiron. And here's the trail that we're continuing up. We're gonna go all the way in between there to see the ruins. You doing good back there, girls? Nice. Give me a thumbs up. Oh, nice. Look at that hat. All right, we're pretty much to the top. You can actually see over there some of the dwellings. I'll show you more in a second. But right here, you could actually see pretty close where the indigenous people would grind up the corn that they grew. Real fine. That's what these little holes are. So, yeah, they would grow their corn, put them inside here, grind it up, and make all sorts of stuff. So the amount of hours spent here is pretty awesome. Yeah, just on top of this, it's incredible to think how many hours were spent preparing the food here. And it's just along here, over there, is where the petroglyphs are. Do you guys see the petroglyphs? Do you see them, Bowen? So if you walk along here, up here, up against the wall, there they are. Pretty awesome, huh guys? Yeah. After the winter, the runoff, there's a lot more water in here running through here, huh guys? Some deer. Pretty cool. This is a nice big wall. This is a really cool place right here. 1,500 years old. Come over here, there's like a little area where they probably stored a lot of their food back in the day. There's nothing left now. Maybe they did a little fire back here back in the day. Stay warm maybe. And we're almost back. Almost back to the car. Here is a cool little sign explaining the trail. Pretty awesome. There is a little trail on the Hieroglyphic Trail. This is a fun one too.
Whoa!
Well, that's a wrap for our hike. Did you guys enjoy it?
Yeah.
All right. If you like stuff like this, subscribe to Outdoor Trek.
Subscribe!